Hello everyone. Today I'm going to do a show and tell of my handmade fabric flowers that I've done and my DIY Chanel Inspired Vases. I'm sure you've seen lots of these little vases as I've seen other YouTubers have done them, and I've seen several on Pinterest as well, but everyone kind of puts their own spin on them and just makes them the way that they want them to look for themselves. So I'll show you the ones I've done. Well, first I'll start with my flowers. I've done different kinds of, well, they're all slightly different. I've used everything from satin fabric to organza and taffeta to create the flowers, and most of them I've made by cutting strips, melting the edges, and stitching them together. So these ones are kind of just rose looking type flowers, lots of ruffles on them. Another little one here, it's kind of more of a carnation looking one with a silky fabric. This one here is a bigger white flower that I've done. It's in kind of a silky fabric as well. In the center I've used some netting in here and added some rhinestones. Another one I've done is this bright pink taffeta that I used. This fabric I had for years, and I just thought I'd try a flower with it, and I added pearl embellishment on that one. I've done another white one, kind of a different method of folding the ribbon, and added pearl on the center of that one. And then for my vases here, I've done, you can see this one is the Coco Chanel Inspired Vase, and used the label that I printed out from Pinterest, and made my flowers with the silky kind of white fabric. I thought they looked pretty, just all one color, and added rhinestones to the centers of them. And inside this vase I've just added white feathers just to keep it like a cohesive look. And then there's this one. I did a little differently with a little more bling on it, if you can see. The ribbon's got like sparkle to it, and then added these silver kind of gem things that I got at Michael's. And also my flowers, these ones have the pearls in the center, so it's slightly different from the other one, but I think they turned out really nice, and hopefully you'll be inspired to try some as well.